Hey folks, alright, as you can tell I spilled a little fresh oil here. This is PAG oil, P-A-G. It's usually found in car air conditionings. Alright, came out of this can over here when I was removing it and spit oil all over. So we're going to try something new here. We're going to try Super Clean right here. This is a foam in the aerosol can. We're going to spray it and let it sit, and we're going to see what happens. So we're going to shake it up real good. Can't hurt, right? So let's try, see if it works. We're spraying on the whole spot here. Let's see if it dissolves the oil and the grease. Not so much grease, this is more oil. We're going to try it. Let's try and hit a few products here. Done good. I'm just going to let it sit. Let it do its job. All right, we're going to come back to it. Alright, so it says not to let it dry, so I'm just going to hit it with a jet stream of water. Ready? About 90 degrees out with a lot of humidity. That's why we did the AC today. I'm going to rinse it off. I'm going to see if this product works. Rinsing it pretty good. We're going to let it dry. We'll let Mother Nature take its course. Let's see. Alright. That's the new baby with the new condenser. It was leaking. Looks like a little rock went through the grill. Punched a hole in it. Alright. That's it. Now we're just going to let it dry. Okay? Alright, here you go. It's all gone. See that? The water's still starting to dry. The oil stain is gone. It was right here. And it splattered on to that side. Alright? Not bad, right? So, it's made by Super Clean. This is the foam one. They have a spray. They got the foam. They also have one in the liquid form too, if you guys want to do that. Alright, so here it is. Great. Took care of my oil stain. Super Clean. Thanks for watching, folks.